What's up, everybody? I got a big announcement. It's time to mark your calendars and clear your schedule because the 2025 FALA Annual Conference and Trade Show is right around the corner in Orlando. And yes, I will be there. This year's theme is Ripple Effect. And that's exactly what we are doing in the industry. Every facility, every administrator, every caregiver, you are the ripple that creates real change in people's lives. We're talking powerful keynote speakers, game-changing workshops, cutting-edge vendors, and the best part, networking with leaders who actually get it, your peers in the industry. It's going to be amazing. This is your chance to connect, grow, and level up your facility. And don't even get me started with the Oceans of Inspiration Awards dinner. It's going to be a night to celebrate the true heroes of our field. And yes, we are dressing up. And the word is, there's a Masquerade under the sea after party. So if you've been grinding all year, it's time to relax. This is your time to shine, dance, and have some well-earned fun. So let's make waves together in Orlando. This isn't just another conference. This is where you come to get re-energized, inspired, and equipped to move your facility and your mission forward. Save the date. Book the hotel, register, and now time is running out. It is in a couple of weeks. And again, I will be there and I want to see you there as well. I look highly forward to it.